Hey guys, today we're going to tackle a RAM replacement or upgrade on a Lenovo T420. As usual, we are going to need a set of precision screwdrivers available at Walmart, Target, or most electronic stores such as Best Buy to be able to get the screws out. There are going to be some sensitive sections of this, so make sure you pay attention to what Tiffany's pointing out. And here we go.
So just start with taking your battery out. You don't want any power to the laptop. To change our RAM, we're going to come right here to this panel. Once this pops up, you can just pull it right out. It's just one screw. We have RAM right here. To remove it, you're going to pull both of these to the side, and it's going to pop right out. You can pull it right out here. Now the other RAM slot is under the keyboard. So there's a couple spots here where there's going to be some screws to remove the keyboard. So I'll just set that guy off to the side. You're going to flip your laptop back over. Go ahead and open her up. We're going to take our keyboard and just push at the bottom here. Up. And then as you pull it up, you just want to be careful because the keyboard is still attached. So you come over here and pull this guy straight up. Our other RAM slot's going to be right under this little panel. You can take our RAM, put him right in there. Once he's in there seated properly, you just push him down until the clips clip on. Then we'll just repeat the process backwards. So you want to make sure that's in there nice and securely. You push your keyboard up as high as it can go, and then pull it back down. Close that back up, flip it back over. We want to put RAM in on this side as well. Again, we're just going to seat it in there, make sure it's sitting properly, push it down. Don't want to forget your keyboard screw, so I'll go right back in here. There is a keyboard symbol here that indicates where the screw is located. And then we'll just put this guy right back in as well.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope it was helpful for you. If there's any other issues with these model laptops you'd like to see us tackle, let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, just hit subscribe up in the top corner.